Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash Royale as a beginner. Your primary goal is to destroy your opponent's king's tower before they destroy yours. You'll deploy various troops and spells from your hand onto the arena. Each card costs elixir, which regenerates over time, so managing this resource is crucial. Strategic placement and timing of your cards are key to both defending your towers and launching effective attacks to secure victory. When building your deck, aim for a good balance of offensive and defensive cards. You'll want a win condition card, like a Hog Rider or Giant, that can reliably reach and damage enemy towers. Also, consider your average elixir cost. Keeping it between 3.5 and 4.5 elixir allows for flexible play. Experiment with different combinations to find what suits your playstyle best. At the beginning of a match, resist the urge to immediately play an expensive card. Instead, wait to see your opponent's first move, allowing you to make an effective counter. Often, placing a troop behind your king's tower is a smart play. It gives you time to regenerate elixir and build a stronger push. Patience in the early game can set you up for success later on. As you progress, focus on understanding card synergies. How different troops and spells work well together can significantly boost your power. Mastering the precise timing of your spell casts and troop placements is also vital for optimal defense and offense. Finally, watching experienced players can provide invaluable insights into advanced strategies and tactics, helping you refine your own gameplay and climb the ranks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.